To report on Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce, start by ensuring that Enhanced E-commerce tracking is enabled in your Google Analytics account. This feature provides detailed insights into your website's e-commerce performance, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. First, navigate to the admin section of your Google Analytics account and select the view for which you want to enable Enhanced E-commerce. Click on E-commerce settings and toggle the button to enable Enhanced E-commerce. You will also need to set up the necessary tracking code on your website, which typically involves adding a small snippet of code to your website's pages. Once Enhanced E-commerce is set up, you can begin to report on key metrics such as revenue, conversion rate, and average order value. To access these reports, navigate to the Conquest section of your Google Analytics account and select E-commerce. Here you will find an overview of your website's e-commerce performance, including total revenue, transactions, and conversion rate. You can also drill down into more detailed reports, such as the Product Performance Report, which shows you which products are driving the most revenue and conversions. This report can help you identify top-selling products and optimize your marketing and product development strategies accordingly. In addition to product-level data, Enhanced E-commerce also provides insights into the customer journey, including metrics such as checkout funnel abandonment and average order value. These metrics can help you identify areas for improvement in your website's checkout process and optimize your marketing campaigns to maximize revenue. To get the most out of Enhanced E-commerce reporting, it is essential to set up goals and events in your Google Analytics account. Goals allow you to track specific actions on your website, such as completing a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. Events provide more detailed insights into user behavior, such as clicking on a product or watching a video. By setting up goals and events, you can create custom reports and dashboards that provide a more nuanced understanding of your website's e-commerce performance. For example, you can create a report that shows the conversion rate for a specific product or category, or a dashboard that displays key e-commerce metrics such as revenue and average order value. Best practices for reporting on Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce include regularly reviewing your e-commerce reports to identify trends and areas for improvement, using segmentation to analyze specific customer groups, and setting up custom alerts to notify you of changes in your website's e-commerce performance. By following these steps and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of enhanced e-commerce reporting in Google Analytics and make data-driven decisions to drive revenue and growth for your business.